Hello, good people. My name is Robert. So, last time we talked about how to be 1% better and gaining ability to be open-minded and positive thinking. But today, I want to share something even more powerful than that. The connection, building connections to others. This can improve multiple things in your life, business, and so on. So let's talk about it. Yes. So in business, connections are even more powerful than hard working, for example. But to start even building your business connections, you have to build your own connections. When I was starting to build my connections, I started to try to find at least one expert in every major field. For example, in like plumbing, whenever I have a problem at like 10 p.m., I have someone to call. If I get sick, I have someone to call. If I need to start a new project, I know someone to call to. With this power, I was able to at least get the basic things sorted in my life. But the key, is that usually people actually kind of fail at creating genuine connections. It's not just about who you know, it's about who they know as well. And if the friend who knows a guy who knows the guy, then there's where actually the magic happens regarding about businesses usually. But you can cover your bases: legal expertises, bookkeeping, finances, marketing, sales, tech guys, manufacturing connections. All of these big sectors in the business need to be covered, even HR. But in order to actually get good in some specific field, or either to attract these people, you have to gain your strengths as well. For example, uh, you don't need to be world-class expert, right? Uh, but it's about the drive and attitude, because to tell the truth, we all have these strengths and weaknesses. But your weakness may be someone else's superpower. Imagine this: you are brilliant at sales. You know how to talk to people, how to actually let them know that this product is for them, or even understanding if they need the product. But you cannot build a product. You don't know what to sell, and you don't have anything actually to sell. But you have a friend who is, for example, an engineer. He has created a product, but he's an engineer. He probably doesn't know as much sales as maybe you do. So you team up and boom, you have actually started to work together. You have built up connections. So he has his own connections, your connections, building together. You can start already working on businesses or some projects. Or if that's for the personal life, then it's going to look a little bit different. But I still want to tell you this. The thing is that here's something that not many people actually tell you. Every business eventually actually becomes a people management, not sales, not marketing, people. Because better employees equal better results. Sounds logical, right? Better results equal more success. It all comes to a connection, right? And the most successful people are not necessarily the smartest or the hardest working. They're the only ones who understand the simple truth. Because making something simple, making something precise is what actually people want. Either it's about the marketing, it's about the sales, it's about just communication to your wife or husband. People want make it easier. That's the reason we actually created, like, here, TV remotes. Kind simple things, but we did not want to get our asses off the couch to actually watch TV. Makes sense, right? So, do you want to dive deeper? I would say yes. I personally love to talk to new people, understanding their inner thoughts, understanding their motives, goals, and as well understanding if this is something that can be so, beneficial for both of us. And I will list actually a few case studies if you want to read about it a little bit more, how to actually understand what type of connections are needed for you. And the challenge for this week, as my goal is to actually point out the challenge every week, in tell one type of connection that you need right now in your life. Write in the comments. Maybe that is some, you just need the doctor, you need the plumber, you need someone else. With this mindset, just write it down, either in the comments, paper, or everyone, and try to see if you can actually talk to the person. If that's going to be comments, maybe I know someone who can help you and you know someone who can help me, or either way, doesn't matter. I just want to be positive attitude, positive influence to you. Maybe not, either way, I'm doing this to spread the knowledge, spread the wisdom, spread every experience that I have. So that's it for me. Learn, do, and let's talk about it. It's Robert signing off to you, and to the next one.